Hey, I'm Chef Michael McDermott with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we're making microwave meatless Wednesday nachos with fresh guacamole. Anyway, I just want to show you how to make guacamole real quick, and then we're going to go and assemble the nachos. Now, I've got an avocado here. Now you want to make sure when you pick the avocado that you can press in it and dent it a little bit, okay? That's how you know it's ripe. If it's not ripe, you can put it in a paper bag for a couple of days and it'll ripen up. Actually, put it in a paper bag with a banana. Now, I want to show you. Notice I have my cutting glove on. I'm going to put the knife in the center and I'm going to turn the avocado around, okay? Because there's a big pit in the middle. Then I'm going to twist it like this, okay? Then you can take it out with the knife, but this is actually safer. You're going to take and just pop the pit out. I just get underneath it a little bit, pop it out. I'll take that other stuff off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the spoon. I'm going to go around the outside where the skin is, okay? Just going to dig it out. I just take it and I push it against the side of the bowl and I mash the avocado. As you can see, I did a bunch already. Also, you can buy avocado pulp frozen when you can't get avocados during the winter. This is like probably a cup and a half, 2 cups of avocado. It's 2 large avocados, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add what I like. I got a little cumin, a little coriander in here, a little, very small amount, probably half a teaspoon of jalapeno, some tomatoes, some onion, and some garlic, and some lemon juice. You can also use lime juice. Watch how hard this is. Okay, this is really tricky. This is how you make guacamole. The reason why I wanted to show you how to do this, because I want you to see how incredibly easy it is to make your own guacamole. Okay, that's it. That's your fresh, delicious guacamole that we're going to use on the black bean nachos that I'm going to show you how to make. Okay, I'm back with all the ingredients now. What I want to show you is, we're doing meatless black bean burritos. Now, you don't have to have just plain black beans, all right? I made these black beans in the pressure cooker, by the way. I've got olive oil. I've got salt and pepper. I've got a little cumin and coriander in here. And I've got some red wine vinegar and some garlic, okay? Now, I'm layering these nachos. And I wanted to show you, this is, you don't have to make nachos for 1 million people. You can do it for 1. So now I'm going to put a little black beans on here, okay? Black beans, black beans, black beans, black beans, black beans. Okay? Then I'm going to put some tomato. All right? And I'm going to put some jalapenos, because I like them. You don't have to. And some green onions. And some cheese. I'm going to repeat that with another layer. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. It's going to be done. All right? Okay, nachos just came out of the microwave. Now you got your beautiful fresh guacamole. You got your cheesy breezy nachos. Look at how delicious they are. Look at how stringy the cheese is. Yummy. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Remember, when you eat better, you live better.
Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.